Passion is what makes us chase after our dream. But where do we get these dreams? Sometimes, we just simply stumble upon them.
Ah, oo nga pala. May sila sa Tamang-Edad din. Ano nga pala yung balak ng nila din?
So, what's the essence of this engineering day? I mean, like, what's the point?
See, compared to this bro, nung nakalayo daw sa kolonya ng Espanyol, 100 years later today, we still celebrate that very fact. As you can see, we honor those heroes. And we also values those annual events. Those are achievements, di ba? Mga narating natin. Do you think it's not the same for us? I mean, we, the engineers, the one who paved the road for advancement sa technology and sa mga infrastructures. We have more than enough contributions to this modern world that what can be said.
Advancements? Achievements natin to say? Like, ano-ano ba yun?
Technically, wala ka pa nang ibang doon kasi student ka pa eh. Pero turn ka na bro. You gotta go out and see our wonders. And I am saying na dito lang, locally. Start with the best. You have the soon to be second biggest mosque in Southeast Asia. Just look at the aesthetics. Hindi ba yan on par with those sa international? With a component of a mall and a hotel within its vicinity pa yan. Truly a breakthrough in innovation for infrastructures. A condominium, 15 buildings. With those numbers, it's pretty much like accommodating a small town. We are aiming for it to be inclusive and sustainable for our whole community. These are all found in our soil, here in Zamboanga. As we build our nation, we go by the principles of sustainable development. We are seeing those advancements and the fruits of those in our profession firsthand. So, just go out and see how our engineers have shaped the world.
Kuya, alam mo, parang gusto kong maging engineer.